I've been walking around like a hairy werewolf. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's TheTiaraMakia. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of future uploads. And if you haven't already, please follow me on all social medias at TheTiaraMakia. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys an updated video on an updated tutorial on how I wax my face. I made a video probably like 2 years ago now, and it went off a little bit considering the size of my channel, and I just wanted to update you guys on how I do this now. It's so much easier, so much cleaner, and so much quicker, and it literally takes like 5 seconds. Before I used strip wax, and I've also used hard wax, and I've also threaded, but this is what I do now. I do get, like, I wax my whole entire face because, you know, most people have hair on their face. It's called vellus hair if you have that little velvety hair, but once you remove that, your makeup applies a lot smoother. I do get coarser hair along my jawline and like my chin area. It's really bad. Like, I've been walking around like a hairy werewolf just to do this for you guys. That's a sacrifice, you know, the love of a mother. She would do this for her children. One thing I want to say, like I said, I do grow the hair along my chin. It's hereditary. I let the hair grow out extra good just so you guys can really see how I do this at home. And it saves me a bunch of money, you know, from going to the salon and getting it done. So, without further ado, let's get into the video. So, what I use is the NAIR wax ready strips, and this one's for the face and bikini. They also make bigger ones for legs and other bikini in other areas. It's so easy. All you do is peel apart the strips, and with these you don't have to rub them to warm them up. Some I've used before, you have to rub them between your hands and warm them up. You press in the area in the direction of the hair growth and making it here by pressing it down firmly, and then you pull. You hold the skin tight with your free hand and pull in one quick movement, and you pull the strip off in the direction of the other hand, and you always pull in the opposite direction of the growth parallel to the line of the body, if that makes sense. And the same strip may be used several times until it no longer adheres to the skin. Post wipes are included to soothe and moisturize the skin and to remove any wax residue. It comes with 40 strips and 4 post wipes. This removes short hairs, and it says results last up to 8 weeks. I've never had a wax last up to 8 weeks on me, but it does last longer than shaving, so I won't complain. So here are like the face strips, and then these are like the upper lip strips. They're slightly smaller. For my chin area, I'm going to use the bigger strips, and then for my upper lip area and like maybe around my eyebrows, I may use the smaller strips. And then these are the soothing wipes, post-waxing wipes. So when you peel it apart, you have 2 sides. Both sides has wax, so that's great because you get 2 uses out of one thing. So I'm going to start with this first jaw area. The hair grows down, so I'm going to smooth it down, and then I'm going to pull the skin tight, and I'm going to pull up. When I pull up, I'm going to go parallel to my face, like as close to my face as possible. And look at that. Can you guys see? It took all the hair. And you can keep using it until you don't get any more. It's not sticking anymore. Whatever hair it doesn't pull out, I just tweeze it once I'm done. But it does a pretty good job of getting a lot of the big hairs. Now I'm gonna go in for the upper lip. Upper lip usually isn't so bad. See, you even got those, I don't know if it's focused, those super fine hairs on the mustache. and I have a high pain tolerance. And I'm just used to it at this point. Like, I just go ahead and get it over with. So now I'm going to take one of the post-waxing wipes and just wipe all over the areas that I waxed. And then once I do this, I will pluck the rest of the hairs that didn't get plucked. Following this, you might want to wash your face because it does have like a light oil to it, especially if you have acne prone skin or like skin that clogs easily. Pores that clog easily. This just removes any wax residue and it just soothes the skin where you waxed. And that's how I wax my face. I think this is by far the easiest and best way to do it, especially if you're amateur, especially if you just want to save some money. I think this was only like $5.78 or something at Walmart. So definitely go and try it and save yourself some money, girl. I also forgot to say another reason I wax my face is just because, one, like smoother makeup application. Two, if you have hair and you shave it, especially like coarse hair, which a lot of ethnic people do, you tend to get razor bumps and ingrown hairs. And I always exfoliate before I wax, so I did exfoliate when I washed my face this morning, and then I exfoliate after, but that's usually like the same day later that day because I usually wax in the morning. So I do exfoliate in the coming days when the hair really starts growing back, just so I don't get ingrown hairs. So that's how you stop those, okay? If you have found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.